We got the idea from Moto Surf. Well, it's funny, my brother actually came up with the idea, Bill. It was three of us, me and our friends, me and Bill and Scott up up late in Puerto Rico. And Scott ran contests forever. So nobody was doing, nobody was doing anything like it over here, but they've been doing the Surfercross for years in California. So it was spawned in Puerto Rico, the idea. And then that year we put it all together and had a bunch of people, a bunch of our friends who were riding, were all practicing surfing, and then I didn't ride, so then I was teaching these guys how to surf, and then they were teaching me how to ride, and then we had surfers practicing riding and vice versa. It was awesome.
Oh man, at one point I got so scared. I need to have duct tape wrapping my bottom things. So all of a sudden I heard click, 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 and I thought I got stuck in the chain. I'm going, no!
And we set up the teams with surfers and motocross guys so that local surfers or local motocross guys have another sport to do.
Because it's a team event, and it's take the combined scores, and just because some guy surfs real good don't mean he rides motocross real good. Or just Barry Carson is our most famous motocrosser. He's a good friend of ours, and Barry's just got a great track record of him. So he had a great career. He had a pro license and was in the top 100 riders in the nation with the AMA. He got an award for being in the top 100 riders for over 26 years, which is unheard of. Like Kaylee Imamal is another good friend of mine who I met through the Malleola Foundation. Out to Hawaii one year, I had sent a message through Facebook to Sonny Garcia, and Sonny, super nice guy. I don't care what anybody says or what his reputation may be. He's one of the nicest people, warmest people you ever meet. Didn't even know me from a hole in the wall, and lent me a bike, lent me gear, took me riding, and I ended up meeting Kalal Alexander. Kalal Alexander is the vice president of the Malleola. So when I was talking to him, he was telling me all about how they help the kids with cystic fibrosis learn how to surf as a natural treatment. And it's been proven to greatly reduce their meds, and also give them just a better outlook on everything. Kaylee's funny because I was asking the guys all there on the cystic fibrosis day, I was like, anyone want to ride after this? And he was just all into it. Hell yeah, I'll ride, So we became friends from that point on, and that was a handful of years ago. But I've been like psychotic, like I love it. I want to keep doing it and get, make it bigger.
fucking arm pump. It's crazy.
I crashed. I couldn't see, man. I got in this run. I went.
Wow. I'm gonna go grab my girl, get some water.
All right,
See you down there. Yeah. Hey, how was that whole shot? Me, you, and your friend almost all in that corner right there, huh? That was so much fun. You belong on the A class, man.
Oh, it was a good time. I actually sort of remember how to ride after about the third lap. I started remembering how to go through turns. But it was a good time. Good time. Dusty. Very dusty. I was trying to get a good jump, and you were like this, and we were literally.
You gotta watch, cause there ain't room for three bikes in that corner. You know?
We were like right there, dude, and I like let off, and I was like trying to like stay straight. So, and I think you looked back at me too.
Everybody have fun? Wait, that was great. That was fun, right?
I had a good time. Actually,
who was hitting that big jump? Just that one kid?